this box as the next break. We rolled the dice on the previous football break. You'll see it on camera if you want to look it up. Good luck to everybody on 79. Now, I thought this team was done. Ellie, what's going on? Now I'm straight up confused. For the Seahawks, reminds me of Hazy, Steve Largent. Nice Steve Largent Seahawks auto. Fanatics certified. Now I'm really confused. And we got a nice autographed mini helmet, Paul Hordung for the Green Bay Packers. That is Fanatics certified again, Fanatics. For GB, nice helmet. All right, now they're done. My bad, now they're done. I give up. And we got a sick jersey. Fanatic certified. Autographed jersey of Chase Young, Fanatics. For Washington, Ray. Washington, Ray. Washington team, I give up. I'm done trying to say it. All right. All right, let's look up these owners. Okay. Green Bay. See who's got GB. GB. 80 was double J. Oh, you didn't have him in 79, Jay? Going to Davey. Double J missed it by a point. Congrats, Dave. Sorry, Jay. This was 79, right? Yeah, because we did the big number first. All right, so now we got, so this was 79. Okay. All right, so Jay missed it by 1. And we got Seattle. And Davey got that one, so that was a 50 toss-up. J-Tac, 79 and 80. Johnny Tac, Money Tac, give a dog a bone. All right, Largent going to Johnny Tac. And then we got the Washington. That is... Oh, Mr. Happy and Son had him in 80. Shanae had him in 79. Going to Shannon. Shannon with the Chase Young jersey. Shanae. Chase Young. I had no idea this was Angus's brother. I just figured that out yesterday. That Chase is Angus's brother. That's a trip. Thank you, Shannon. Appreciate it. Sorry for those that did not win. I'll go put these items away.